top-notch modder. What computer does he have? Introducing wires. Alright, so we got a nice GTX 1080 Ti box. Using that as my bench. I don't have a case right now. I'm using a nice 240 millimeter radiator. I don't know what you're thinking, right? No fans. But look. I have the keyboard and mouse color coded to the temperature of the CPU, so that way I can watch over temperatures. I also have a nice SSD here. Yeah, do 120 gigabytes for my OS and everything. But I also have a 120 gigabyte hard drive to keep all my files on. Nice good chunk of storage right there. Also a Chinese aftermarket power supply. No clue what brand it is. I have a fire hydrant nearby, don't worry. And what build would be finished without some sort of RGB? Come on now, RGB.
Hey everyone, welcome to Ryzwire. First and foremost, I hope everyone's okay. It's a hard time for a lot of people, so stay safe out there. As you may remember, I'm moving this month, so this Ryzwire is actually currently up for sale. More on that later. But for now, let's take a look. Introducing wires.
This computer was made for 3 reasons. Having a Ryzwire for this month, selling it to help with moving fees, and as a final for one of my art classes this semester. Despite the virus, I think I'm going to finally graduate and get my BFA in illustration. In any case, this computer was based on an image I created for a college class. Eventually I animated it and turned it into a desktop background. The class is about sequence. It's about motion in art, so there was a push for constant motion throughout the build. There's animated LED lights, spinning fans, and even fluid traveling throughout the whole system. Let me know how well I did in the comments.
Is that it? I think that's it. First of all, I want to thank the owner of Void, the second Ryzwire. They were a big help for this build, and they're a big supporter of Ryzwire in general, so thanks a lot. You know who you are. As I said, this PC is up for sale. The price is flexible. It's a good 1440p gaming machine. I'm about to move, so it's being sold to help with the expenses. More information about that in the description. I also have lots of different coolant colors to choose from. The blue moving stuff in this computer is mostly just for show, mostly just to keep the theme of motion going. If you're interested in this computer, or you want to share your computer with me, or you're interested in working with me for your very own upgrade, be sure to email me at ryzwire@gmail.com. You can also support the channel with likes and shares, as well as through donations to ryzwire.com. As always, all links will be in the description. Please keep safe everyone, stay healthy, and as always, keep dauntlessly forging forward.